Hi, my name is Wandia with reactionpower.com. Today we're going to talk about how to get phone notifications when someone comments to you on Facebook. The first thing you need, of course, is a Facebook profile. Let's log in. So if you want to get phone notifications when someone posts on your Facebook profile or wall, it's very simple. You just go into account settings by clicking on that little point down arrow on the top right hand corner of your account and click on account settings, and then you'll click here notifications. Now my notifications right now are turned on, and therefore I can't really make specific edits. It means I want to receive all notifications. But if I want to receive specific notifications, I can turn this off and click that I want to receive comments whenever a comment is posted on my wall. And so I can just check that and click Save Changes. I hope that was helpful. If you need additional information, feel free to reach me at www.wandia.info.